I have an Oculus Quest 2. It seemed to function fine. I would have an occasional tracking, would get lost occasionally, and the game would go black and then pop back up, but it was pretty sporadic. But over a couple day period recently, it started happening more and more, and now it gives me a tracking lost error every time I turn it on. So first, I just restarted it. It was still giving me the tracking lost. It wouldn't let me turn it on. I look online to see different things I could do to maybe get it working. I made sure to wipe and clean the 4 little cameras on the headset. I replaced the batteries and the controllers. I unpaired them, then repaired them, and then the only last thing I could try was a factory reset. And actually the factory reset got it working again, but it would just function for that first session. As soon as I turn the Oculus off or plug it on the charger and then go to play it, a couple hours later, or just test it later, it would have the tracking lost and I can't turn it on. And I have factory reset it 3 or 4 times now, and each time with the same result. It works the first time, the tracking works, everything works perfect, and then as soon as it powers down and then turn it back on or go to charge it and then turn it back on later, tracking is lost again. Okay, I'm going to make a short video of my Oculus booting up for Oculus support to see what's going on. You hit the power button.
You gotta hold it.
See if I can get it to focus.
Why did it do that?
Okay, every time it turns on now it shows this error. Tracking went wrong. Something went wrong. Your device can't track its movement or your position in your play area. Okay, if I can find the pointer, I can get past this. You can see both controllers, 100%, Guardian. If I try to turn the tracking on through this, okay, it gives me the same error. Alright, thank you.